The GPA calculator allows you to calculate various GPAs relevant for admission to a School of Engineering and Applied Sciences major and academic standing within UB and the School of Engineering and Applied Sciences. The cumulative overall GPA includes all graded credits. The cumulative UB GPA includes only UB graded credit. The cumulative UB technical GPA includes only technical classes taken at UB. The semester GPA includes all classes taken at UB in a given semester, and the semester technical GPA includes only technical classes taken at UB during the given semester. The admissions quality point deficit is an absolute measure of what is necessary to bring a student's overall GPA to the required minimum for admission to the desired engineering or computer science major. It is calculated using this formula. The quality point deficit is equal to the cumulative GPA hours attempted times the target GPA, either a 2.5 or a 2.8, minus the cumulative quality points. Current GPAs are displayed, as well as the admission quality point deficits. These are unofficial calculations and can be impacted by other factors on a student's record. For example, the number of times a student has taken a course can impact these calculations. You may see an alert if repeats are detected. Contact 410 Bonner Hall for assistance using this tool and understanding GPA calculation. Use the grade drop-down menus to alter the GPAs based on grades selected. For example, changing the Math 141 grade will alter all of the GPAs, as that is a technical course, so it impacts both technical GPAs and overall GPAs. Altering the grade in a non-technical course like Anthropology 106 will only change the overall GPAs. It will not impact the technical GPAs. The admissions quality point deficit will also update as grades are changed. Use the GPA calculator to calculate various end-of-semester GPAs based on inputting various grade scenarios.